You finally lie down after a long day, but your mind won't stop racing. What did I forget? Why did I say that? What if tomorrow goes wrong? In a world wired for speed, noise, and endless distraction, night should be our sanctuary. Yet for most of us, it's the loneliest part of the day, when our worries echo the loudest and our thoughts turn against us. Sleep escapes us not because we're weak, but because we haven't learned how to quiet the mind. The ancient Stoics knew this struggle intimately. They too faced uncertainty, pressure, and personal failure, but they didn't run from it. They turned inward, refining their thoughts, preparing their souls, and embracing the darkness not as a threat, but as a teacher. As Marcus Aurelius wrote in his Meditations, "Nowhere you can go is more peaceful, more free of interruptions, than your own soul." This wasn't poetry, it was practice. What if your evenings could become your most powerful tool for growth? In this video, we'll walk through 7 nightly habits inspired by Stoic philosophy. Simple, powerful practices that will help you reset your mind, center your emotions, and enter the next day with strength and purpose. If your nights feel restless, this video might change more than just your sleep. It might change your life. Subscribe to the Stoic Code and join a community committed to mindful living and self-mastery. Number 1. Reflective self-assessment. As we navigate our daily lives, it's essential to take a moment to reflect on our actions and personal growth. Engaging in self-reflection allows us to evaluate our performance and identify areas for improvement. One effective way to facilitate this process is by asking ourselves reflective questions at the end of each day. Consider inquiries such as, "What did I accomplish today?" or "How did I manage challenges?" These questions can help us gain valuable insights into our behaviors and decisions. Additionally, incorporating gratitude and forgiveness into our self-assessment is crucial. Acknowledging the positive aspects of our day fosters a sense of appreciation, while forgiving ourselves for any missteps encourages a healthier mindset. This dual approach not only promotes self-compassion, but also motivates us to strive for better outcomes in the future. To further enhance this reflective practice, keeping a journal can be incredibly beneficial. Documenting our thoughts, feelings, and experiences allows us to track our progress over time and recognize patterns in our behavior. A journal serves as a personal space for introspection, where we can articulate our insights and celebrate our achievements, no matter how small. By committing to this practice, we create a roadmap for our growth journey, making it easier to identify our strengths and areas needing attention. Ultimately, reflecting on our daily actions through thoughtful questions, gratitude, forgiveness, and journaling can lead to profound personal development and a deeper understanding of ourselves. Number 2. Embracing mortality. The concept of Memento Mori, which translates to "remember you must die," is a powerful principle rooted in Stoicism that encourages us to confront the reality of our mortality. By acknowledging that our time is limited, we can gain a profound perspective on how we choose to live each day. This awareness serves as a reminder to prioritize what truly matters, urging us to focus on our values, relationships, and passions. Imagine reflecting on your life as if tonight were your last. How would you spend your time? This thought exercise can be both sobering and liberating, prompting us to evaluate our choices and align our actions with our deepest desires. Embracing the reality of mortality can lead to a greater appreciation for the present moment, allowing us to cultivate gratitude for the experiences and connections we often take for granted. Moreover, acknowledging our finite existence can inspire us to pursue our goals with renewed vigor, fostering a sense of urgency that propels us toward meaningful achievements. The emotional benefits of this practice are significant. It can alleviate fears and anxieties about the future, encouraging us to live authentically and fully. By integrating Memento Mori into our daily reflections, we can transform our understanding of life and death, motivating us to make the most of our time and leave a lasting impact on the world around us. Embrace this philosophy and let it guide you toward a more intentional and fulfilling life. Number 3. Engaging with Stoic texts. Reading Stoic texts can be a profound source of wisdom and inspiration, offering timeless insights that resonate with our modern lives. One of the most revered works in Stoicism is Meditations by Marcus Aurelius, a collection of personal writings that reflect his thoughts on virtue, resilience, and the nature of existence. This classic text serves as a guide for navigating life's challenges with grace and composure. To truly absorb the principles of Stoicism, consider dedicating a few pages each night to reading. This practice not only allows you to engage with the material at a comfortable pace, but also provides an opportunity for reflection and contemplation. As you delve into these teachings, you may find certain passages that particularly resonate with you. Using these quotes as affirmations can reinforce your understanding and commitment to Stoic beliefs. By repeating these powerful words, you can internalize their messages, helping to shape your mindset and actions in daily life. Incorporating Stoic literature into your nightly routine can foster a deeper connection to its principles, encouraging you to live with intention and purpose. As you explore the thoughts of great Stoic philosophers, you will discover practical wisdom that can guide you through adversity, enhance your emotional resilience, and inspire personal growth. Embrace the transformative power of these texts and let them illuminate your path toward a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. Number 4. Practicing negative visualization. Finding joy independent of external circumstances is a vital skill that can lead to a more fulfilling life. One effective technique to cultivate this mindset is negative visualization, a practice rooted in Stoicism that encourages us to imagine the loss of what we cherish. By contemplating the impermanence of our possessions, relationships, and even our own lives, we can reduce our attachment to them. This exercise helps us appreciate what we have in the present moment, fostering a sense of gratitude and contentment that is not reliant on external factors. Instead of seeking validation from others or measuring our worth through external achievements, it's essential to focus on internal happiness. This means recognizing that true joy comes from within and is shaped by our thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes. By shifting our perspective, we can cultivate a sense of peace and tisani and fulfillment that remains steady, regardless of life's ups and downs. Additionally, defining one's own happiness is crucial in this journey. Each person has unique values and desires, and understanding what genuinely brings us joy allows us to pursue it authentically. Take the time to reflect on what makes you feel fulfilled and content, and prioritize those aspects in your life. By embracing negative visualization, focusing on internal happiness, and defining your own joy, you can cultivate a resilient sense of well-being that thrives independently of external circumstances, leading to a richer and more meaningful existence. Number 5. Discovering purpose through mindfulness. Identifying and pursuing your life purpose is a transformative journey that can lead to profound fulfillment and satisfaction. To embark on this path, it's essential to cultivate mindfulness and engage in self-reflection regarding your personal goals. Take the time to pause and assess what truly matters to you. Ask yourself questions like, what are my passions? And what impact do I want to have on the world? This introspective process can help clarify your values and aspirations, guiding you toward a clearer sense of purpose. Once you have a better understanding of your purpose, it's crucial to prioritize actions that align with it. This means making conscious choices that reflect your goals and values, whether that involves pursuing a specific career, engaging in meaningful relationships, or contributing to your community. By aligning your daily actions with your purpose, you create a sense of coherence in your life that fosters motivation and satisfaction. Additionally, it's important to recognize that being an active participant in life is essential for realizing your purpose. This involves taking initiative, embracing opportunities, and being open to new experiences. Rather than waiting for life to unfold, actively seek out ways to engage with your passions and interests. By doing so, you not only move closer to your goals, but also enrich your life with purpose and meaning. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and let your purpose guide you toward a more intentional and fulfilling existence. Number 6. Building self-discipline. Cultivating self-discipline is a crucial component of achieving personal success and overcoming the obstacles that life presents. Self-discipline acts as the foundation upon which we build our goals, enabling us to stay focused and committed even when faced with challenges. It empowers us to push through discomfort and distractions, leading us closer to our aspirations. To strengthen your self-discipline, consider embracing daily challenges that test your willpower and character. These challenges can be as simple as committing to a daily workout, setting aside time for focused work, or practicing mindfulness. By consistently pushing your limits, you not only build resilience but also develop a stronger sense of self-control that will serve you in various aspects of life. Additionally, it's essential to recognize the importance of choosing virtue over convenience. In a world filled with distractions and instant gratification, opting for the harder, more virtuous path often leads to greater rewards. This means making choices that align with your values, even when they require more effort or sacrifice. By prioritizing long-term fulfillment over short-term ease, you cultivate a mindset that values growth and integrity. Remember, self-discipline is not about rigidly adhering to rules. It's about creating a lifestyle that reflects your true aspirations. As you work to develop this vital skill, you will find that the journey toward your goals becomes more rewarding, and the obstacles you face become opportunities for growth. Embrace self-discipline and watch as it transforms your life and propels you toward success. Number 7. Cultivating Ataraxia. Relaxation and sleep are essential components of overall well-being, playing a critical role in our physical, mental, and emotional health. One effective technique for achieving a state of tranquility is ataraxia, a concept rooted in ancient philosophy that emphasizes a serene and untroubled mind. By cultivating ataraxia, we can learn to navigate life's challenges with greater ease and composure. To promote this state of calm, consider incorporating practices like deep breathing and meditation into your nightly routine. These techniques help quiet the mind, reduce stress, and prepare the body for restful sleep. Deep breathing exercises can lower heart rates and promote relaxation, while meditation encourages mindfulness and self-awareness, allowing you to release the day's tensions. Prioritizing relaxation and sleep are not just about feeling good. It is also crucial for maintaining resilience and focus in our daily lives. Adequate rest rejuvenates our bodies and minds, enhancing cognitive function, emotional regulation, and overall performance. When we are well rested, we are better equipped to manage stressors and make thoughtful decisions. Conversely, lack of sleep can lead to irritability, decreased productivity, and impaired judgment. Therefore, it's vital to create a sleep-friendly environment and establish a consistent sleep schedule that allows for restorative rest. By embracing relaxation techniques and prioritizing sleep, you can cultivate a sense of well-being that supports your resilience and focus, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Remember, taking time to unwind is not a luxury. It is a necessity for thriving in today's fast-paced world. As we conclude our journey through these Stoic nightly practices, take a moment to reflect on the transformative power of intentional living. Each habit we've explored offers a pathway to deeper self-understanding and resilience. Reflective self-assessment encourages us to examine our actions and thoughts, fostering personal growth and emotional clarity. Embracing our mortality through Memento Mori reminds us of life's impermanence, urging us to live with purpose and gratitude. Engaging with Stoic texts connects us with timeless wisdom, guiding us through adversity with composure. Practicing negative visualization helps us appreciate what we have, reducing attachment and cultivating inner peace. Discovering our purpose through mindfulness aligns our actions with our values, leading to a fulfilling life. Building self-discipline empowers us to overcome obstacles and stay true to our goals. Cultivating Ataraxia, a serene and untroubled mind, allows us to navigate life's challenges with equanimity. Growth is a continuous journey of presence and progress. By integrating these practices into your nightly routine, you lay the foundation for a life of virtue and tranquility. Subscribe to the Stoic Code and become part of a community dedicated to mindful living and self-mastery. Share your insights and experiences in the comments below. Your journey can inspire others. Until next time, remember the words of Epictetus: "No man is free who is not master of himself."